Attention realtors. Want to make your listings irresistible? Let's face it, first impressions matter, especially in real estate. Buyers often make split-second decisions based on how a home feels, and that's where TidyTex home cleaning comes in. As a proud veteran-owned service based in San Antonio, we specialize in transforming properties into showstoppers. Our professional team knows how to highlight your listings, ensuring they shine before those all-important open houses or buyer visits. With quick turnarounds and meticulous attention to detail, we help you close deals faster than ever. Here's a tidy tip you can implement today. Open all blinds and turn on the lights before a showing. This simple action brightens up the space and creates a warm, welcoming atmosphere that buyers love. A well-lit home not only feels more inviting, but also showcases its best features, making it easier for buyers to envision themselves living there. So, why wait? Elevate your listings with TidyTex. Check the video description for our contact details, and let's get those homes looking their best today.